going to show you how I remove the exhaust pipe from spree. First, going to want to loosen these two bolts. They're 12 millimeter. You can use a socket wrench or an impact to be a little faster. I'm going to leave the top bolt in place for the time being because the next two bolts are going to be loosened from the exhaust manifold itself. And these are 10 millimeter bolts. You're going to use a box end wrench to loosen these up. Sometimes they're rusted on pretty good, so you might want to put some penetrating oil on the night before you start this job. And there's two of them. And usually these are rusted pretty bad, so you end up using the wrench quite a bit to get these off. It's kind of tedious. But once you've got both of these loosened up, you don't have to take them off the bolt. You just have to loosen them up almost the whole way. Then you can come back to the first bolt and remove that 12 millimeter bolt. And now it's just a matter of wiggling the exhaust pipe out of the way and taking it off the bike. And now you can sand it and paint it and do whatever you need to do. And you can also get at the starter. So taking off the exhaust is a prereq to getting the starter out of the machine too. So there you go. That's how you take your exhaust off of your spree.